Like I remember when I first came here, they were like, Jellyfish, and I was like, huh? I was like, what is that? I just love the name. I think it's like so cute. I think Headspace's mission is really about mindfulness and making it accessible to everybody and kind of destigmatizing the idea of prioritizing your mental health. So
we're specifically on this team trying to do that through exciting videos that offer advice on how to handle situations, on how to deal with anxiety, with stress, and offer people some insight on the feelings that they experience every day.
We take these topics that are relevant to everybody and kind of make these fun videos out of them where people feel like heard and seen.
Or whether it's vertical short form videos that are just a quick meditation or breathing exercise, or sometimes we're going into long form content that's super involved.
At Headspace, video editing is a big component of what we do. Everything is being looked at from a critical eye, from the production value, but also from the therapeutic value. This is real stuff. We're affecting people's real lives. So that everyone in our team is looking at it, how does it fill that, and meet the aesthetic of Headspace. We always strive to have the same constant feel for all of our content. Jelly and Adobe are the backbone of all of our workflow here.
As soon as we wrap a shoot, cards go to our media manager, our studio manager. He takes those, ingest that media. We actually use the Jellyfish to run our proxies instead of wasting resources on our local machines to do that. And from there, our editors can just go ahead and log in to their workstations. We have different workstations around the office that are different vibes. You know, we have a very serious edit bay, but we also have just stations around the office so people can pick a spot that's quiet and comfortable. And thanks to the Jellyfish, they can just like immediately connect to the server, access all of the media, the proxies, and get cooking.
It's really easy for us to collaborate. I can point to something, they can open the same thing instantly and tell me, all right, it's there. I pull it into my edit and away I go.
I mean, it's a pretty awesome system. I think it solves a lot of the issues of working in Premiere with multiple editors.
I think post-production is a complicated process enough. Anything you can do to maximize the time that the editor has to actually cut a video instead of deal with administrative and technical details is a win. And I feel like it helps us to waste less time, which also feeds back into being less stressed. But I think everyone here takes wellness very seriously and takes mental health very seriously. I mean, we have to walk the walk, otherwise what are we doing here? I think it's really important that we practice what we preach.
So I worked in a lot of bad reality television for a very long time. And it's not good for your soul. And it doesn't feel good to twist people to make them seem like evil villains every time you open up the thing. It's fun, but after a while you're like, what am I doing? The very first thing I cut here, someone sent me an email of a customer response the next day. And they wrote a whole paragraph about how that video changed their life. And they were so grateful for it. And it made me stop for a moment and go, I've never had that before. That was Headspace in one video, in one note.
Sure, we want to make our content entertaining, but the fact that people who are hurting or people who are dealing with like difficult issues can turn to the Headspace app and maybe find some relief, that's really cool.
I think to be the person behind that media, it just feels nice to be putting something out in the world that is like actually benefiting someone, as small as it may be. You know, it may just be like a moment that like gives someone relief for a few breaths. I don't know, that feels like enough